Today I'm going to show you how to make a bottle stopper using a bottle stopper kit, a piece of ash and a lathe. And there's the other centre. One other thing I would recommend doing is taking these corners off. If you're making this bottle stopper as a gift, I recommend keeping hold of these shavings. Okay, so that feels nice and secure to me. So I've turned this into round stock. I'm still wearing my dust mask, so that's why I sound a bit odd. So now what we need to do is we need to start roughing in the right shape and get it to the right diameter. I need to get this rough shape done, and I want a little cove here, and then I want it to come back out and then form this sort of spear thing up here. So I've just taken it off the lathe so I can check the size of it. I'm going to try using some of this Hampshire Sheen wax stuff. So I just need to buff this now. Now very carefully we're going to part this off. Alright, so we're basically free, so now remove the tailstock. Just twist these ends off. Okay, so we've got a bit of a rough bit here because I've left myself an extra amount. So I'm just going to clean this end up and this end up. Okay, so we need to drill an 8mm hole into this, so we're going to do that now. So I'm going to start with a 7mm hole just to be on the safer side. Alright, let's carefully drill this.